Welcome to this video on Antigravity CLI, a lightweight terminal user interface designed to accelerate your development workflows. Today, we'll explore how this tool helps with understanding codebases, generating documentation, running tests, and refactoring both UI and backend components. In this lab, we'll focus on a practical goal: refactoring a Roman numeral converter application. We will use the CLI to modernize its UI and update the backend logic. To get started, simply install the CLI and follow the prompts to log in using your preferred method. Once configured, you can choose your color scheme and begin working directly from your terminal. Need to understand a new codebase? Just ask Antigravity CLI to explain it. It will analyze the architecture, identify key dependencies, and point out the main entry files, helping you onboard faster. You can also use the CLI to handle environment setup. By providing a prompt, the tool can automate creating your virtual environment, installing dependencies, and running your application locally. Maintaining code is easier with automated documentation. The CLI can instantly generate detailed docstrings for your classes and functions, ensuring your codebase remains clear and easy to navigate. For testing, you can use the /goal command to generate robust unit tests. The tool will provide a comprehensive suite based on your code, which you can then review to ensure full coverage. Antigravity CLI is also excellent at identifying logic defects. By asking it to check for specific issues, like handling negative numbers, you can uncover hidden bugs before they reach production. When it's time to modernize, use the /plan command to outline your UI refactor. Whether you're integrating Bootstrap or moving to a new framework, the CLI helps you map out the steps efficiently. The backend can be refactored just as easily. For example, you can prompt the CLI to store requests in memory and add a new history page, simplifying complex backend changes. For multitasking, use the sub-agents framework. Commands like /agents and /tasks allow you to monitor background research or processes without interrupting your main workflow. Before starting a major task, try the /grillme command. It triggers an interview-style planning session, ensuring you've considered all aspects of your refactoring plan. Finally, keep your project updated by asking the CLI to analyze and refresh your README file to reflect recent codebase changes. For automated CI/CD pipelines, you can run Antigravity CLI in non-interactive mode. Simply pass your prompts using the -p flag to integrate code analysis and generation directly into your automated builds. Antigravity CLI is built to be extensible. Leverage plugins, hooks, custom agent skills, and MCP server integrations to tailor the tool to your specific engineering needs. Thanks for watching.